complete restoration versus a reupholstery job. We kept the natural fibers. These cushions are filled with horse and hog hair and wood wool and cotton batting. There's no foam or synthetic fibers on it. And we used, we had to do complete retying of the springs. The frame was jeopardized when it came in. It was broken and dilapidated. Probably about a 120-year-old piece. We wanted to keep the natural patina on the wood, so we just kind of basically left that alone. I blended it with some oil and some triple aught steel wool, and rubbed it with beeswax when it was done. We wanted to keep the patina as close as possible. It's important with the floral pattern to match the pattern, so we have the peonies cascading down from the inside back to the seat face, cushion face, and continues down the seat face. These cushions are all natural, very comfortable on the big coil springs. You want to keep the pattern consistent. So when we did this outside back, because of the distance, this is 75 inches here, you have to make a seam in the center. And of course you have to match the pattern on the seam, so experience tells you how to do that. It's not really difficult, but we matched the pattern. As you can see, there's a seam. And the thing's completely rebuilt with natural fibers, with jute webbing, coil springs, muslin, burlap, things that they would have used at the time of this manufacturing. And I do know that it was reupholstered in '43 because I found evidence inside of it. It's torn apart.
So tell us a little bit about what it looked like when it was brought in.
Well, the cat lived on it for a couple of years, so it was scratched up, and there was a couple of mice nests in it, and the frame was broken in several places. So firstly, we had to reconstruct the frame, make it sound. Hard to build a good house on a bad foundation, so we re-webbed the complete bottom. So you sew the coil springs on by hand and then tie them. Certain process you go through with that. Then you have to cover it in burlap and sew on by hand the edge roll around the front of the under here is a big piece of paper and cotton fiber wrapped in burlap. That's, you make a roll out of it and then stitch it on. Then you have to sew the seat face down. A lot of sewing.
And so, in the style of this here, did we we replicated what the original looked like, just with the new fabric?
Yeah, the other fabric was a solid print, so it was a little more difficult with the floral to keep it consistent, but they wanted that, and the customer's always right, so that's what we went with. I knew I couldn't get the repeat in these channels, so I just went with the filled here. I tried to put a print on each arm, center of the back, center of the seat cushions, center of the front face.
It's beautiful work. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Wain, one of our very talented upholstery guys. While we're out here, we'll just show a little peekaboo here. Wave to the camera, you guys. This is the rest of our team over here. We've got Taylor and Jason working in the back.
This is where the magic happens.
It's where the magic happens.